Yes, Jia, tell me. Worksheet number 93. What you are seeing is a different
Okay.
worksheet. Worksheet number 93. There are story sums. No, not this one. The previous one. Before this one. Before this. Yes, that's the one. Story sums. Okay, that's the story sums. Okay,
Standard क्या बोला है?
okay. So in your notebook,
Standard
question number 1.
कंप्यूटर बेस में कौन की थी? अरे कहीं अंदर नहीं भाग गए थे.
Okay,
वेट.
now, right. Now, how do we solve this? First of all, it's a story sum, so we have to write down what is given to us, right? What information has already been shared with us. That you have to write down. So this is where we had stopped yesterday. Yes, this is where we had stopped yesterday, and we are going to go to the next one, which is here. So first, you have to note down in your notebook. Come on, everyone. First, note down what is information given to you in your notebook. Start writing. Start writing. Come on. Weight of basket with apples is 240 kg, 600 grams. Weight of basket with oranges 189 kg, 900 grams. The weight of basket with guavas is 255 kg. Come on, note it down. Come on, Jia, start writing. No fighting with mama. Come on, everyone. We know that mamas are the best, so no fighting with them. Yes, come on, everyone. Dhwani, keep writing and write it fast. Come on, Rajeshwari sisters. This is not fair, you know that, right? Rajeshwari sisters. First thing is you are identical twins, and then you are wearing almost same clothes. How would I find out who is Hardi and who is Harvi? Which one of you is Hardi?
Sir, I am Harvey.
Yes, but how do I identify?
We don't know.
So how does your mom find out which one is Hardi and which one is Harvi? Huh? How does that work for you? मम्मी पापा से गलती होती है? नहीं होती ना, राइट? मम्मी पापा गलती करते हैं, हार्दी को हार्वी बुलाएंगे, हार्वी को हार्दी बुलाएंगे, ऐसा मम्मी पापा करते हैं?
No, sir.
है ना? See, that's why I'm saying mamas are the best. Convey my regards to her. मेरे प्रणाम कहना मम्मी पापा को. हाँ बोलो. मेरी तरफ से प्रणाम करना मम्मी पापा को, मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ. Niranjan, that is incorrect answer. Come on, now we have to find weight of all the fruits along with basket. Okay, everybody has written this. Now next step is weight of fruits with the basket. So Weight of all fruits without basket, it is already given 675 kg. So total weight of fruits with basket. So kg and gram, we have to add them together. Come on, do it. Addition you have to do. It is already done for me when I taught class 4 green. जल तो अच्छे से कर रहा था, राइट जी? Come on. Rudra, your work is not done. I'm going to the previous slide. Okay. Rudra, फटाफट लिख लो बेटा. Done, Rudra? चलो next slide में जाएंगे. Yes, come on. Yes, Param, in the notebook. So total weight of fruits with the basket is 684 kg and 1500 gram. So we know that 1500 gram, that is incorrect. We have to convert this 1500 gram into kilogram and gram. So next step would be addition. You can do. Come on, everyone, you can do the addition. You can do the addition on your own. I know. Yes, Nishtha, have you completed? Come on, do it fast. Shanvi Shah, why are you not writing? Yes, Shanvi. Yes, Shanvi. Yes, Shanvi. I'm listening.
Sir, because I joined now.
Okay, no problems. That can be resolved. I'll be putting this video on YouTube. You can do it. Okay? No problems.
Yes.
All right. All right. So what do we have here is addition. We have got. Yes, very good, Kavish. Very good. Next is we have got 1500 gram, that is 1 kg and 500 gram. Sorry, I forgot to write gram here. Yes, so it will become 685 kg and 500 gram. So total weight of fruits with basket is 685 kg and 500 grams. Okay, this is what we have with basket. Now we have got total weight of fruits without basket also, which is 675. So we have to find the difference. Total fruits with basket, total fruits without basket, or rather weight of total fruits with basket, weight of total fruit without basket, and the difference comes to 10 kg, 500 grams. Okay. Now once you do that, 10 kg, 500 grams you have found. Now why do we need to divide it by 3? Because every time it is being measured, they every time put all the fruits in the basket and then measure it. So every time the weight of basket is also there, right? And there are 3 times, so we have to divide it by 3. So this is why we have divided. Now we know that 10 kg is 10,000 grams. So 10,500 divided by 3. 3 threes are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. 5 comes down. So 3 fives are 15. And then all we have to do is these two zeros will go straight up, right? So we have got 3,500 grams, which is 3 kg and 500 gram. That is the weight of basket. Okay, everyone, that is the weight of basket. Yes, understood? Yes, everyone, did you understand? Give me a thumbs up if you have understood. On the screen, Shanvi, learn it on the screen. Good, very good. Panth, did you understand? Daksh, Anand, Shikha, very good. What about you, Param? Rajdeep, very good. Preeti Singh, all thumbs up, that's very good. Yes. Right, very good. Come on. Finish it up. Note it down. Come on, everyone. Finish your work. In your notebook, you have to write. In your notebook. Yes, Anand. In your notebook, you have to write. Come on, finish it up. Dhara Thakkar. Dhara Thakkar. Come on, finish it up. Jeet Vegal is having difficulty today. Yes, Jeet, you can speak now. Okay, no problem. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm not going anywhere today. I'm in no hurry. Jeet is having troubles today. Internet connection issues. Come on, everyone. Do it quick. Hey, Shania. Come on, everyone. Finish it up. Okay, everyone, done? Come on, finish it up. Yes, Brinda?
So, I just wanted to know what sports are there in the school.
Sorry, dear?
I just wanted to know what sports are there in the school.
I'm not getting you. You wanted to know what?
No, I just wanted to know what sports are there in the school.
I'm not getting you. Your voice breaks up just when you say that you wanted to know this. Go
I
slow.
just wanted to know what sports are there.
What sports are there? Okay. Okay.
Yeah, in the school.
Yes, we have got skatings. We have got dedicated faculty for skates, and then we have got different activities.
Is there basketball?
Basketball court is there, yes, and the coach is, I mean, the PE teacher is very well versed with playing the game.
Because I was also in the school team in Singapore.
That's glad.
I
I'm glad to
was
know
playing
that.
for Singapore.
Yes, that's very good. I'm sure once you join here, you'll be part of the basketball team. That's wonderful.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Okay. Is everybody done? Have you completed your work, everyone? Should I go on to the next one? Okay. Right. So, worksheet number 93, question number 2. This is very interesting example. Here, I'm not going to solve this example. Okay, this example I'm not going to solve for you. You have to try it. I'll be giving you the answer on Monday. Okay, that's a challenge for you all. You can try till Monday, and then we will discuss this. Okay, yes, everyone. Right, question number 2, you have to try. This is very interesting question. Okay, question number 3 is also very easy. It is Priya's birthday today. Priya bought 10 chocolates, each weighing 50 gram. Okay, so one chocolate is 50 gram. So 10 chocolate is how many? Very easy example. What you have to do? 50 into 10. Answer will be 500 gram. Right? Find the total weight of these 10 chocolates. She ate one chocolate and gave 8 chocolate to her friend. She gave the last chocolate to the school guard. We should always be kind to the people like school guard, bus driver, etc. who help us. Which moral value is depicted here? She is caring, you can say, right? She cares for the all, right? She has empathy, right? She has empathy. We can put it like this. Okay, come on everyone, note these down. Come on everyone, let's do this. Yes, yes, yes. Come on everyone, finish it up. Okay, now next one is worksheet number 94. These questions are very easy. Shopkeeper has 5 bags of rice. Each bag is having a weight of 10 kg. What is the total weight of the rice bags? 5 into 10, so 50 kg. Very easy example, right? But this example, number 5, that is very interesting. Question number 5 is very interesting. What the question is, find the missing weight which will balance the scale. So here we don't have anything, and the balance has to be, I mean, the scale has to be balanced. Both the pens should be at equal heights. Yes, that's what you need to do, right? So what can you do? You have to find the weight from this, and equal weight should be here. Okay, now another type of question which can be asked is, in this one also I can put some weight and I can ask, which pen will go up, which pen will go down? That can be asked and you have to answer it. That's a thinking question. You should be able to answer this. Yes? Yes, very good, Shikha. That is correct. Okay. Then these examples are, these questions are very easy. Four friends were talking about their ways. This is again addition, subtraction, thinking problems. Okay. So you have to solve on your own. I'm not going to give you answers directly. Okay. You have to work on this, right? You have to think. Anmay says workbook finished. Very good, Anmay. Very smart. Okay. And then mental math 12. Out of this one, we are not going to do number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9. The rest of the example you have to do. The rest of the example you must complete. Okay? Yes, everyone? Give me a thumbs up if you have understood what I just said. Rajdeep, you look like doctor right now, Rajdeep, with your headphones. Looks like you are checking somebody's heartbeat. Come on. Yes, everyone. Finish it up. Very good, Preet. Thank you. Vedanshi, on the screen. Come on. On the screen. Yes, very good. Vedant, what happened? Come on, note these down. You are not going to give answers for number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Yes? Come on, do it fast. The rest of the examples you have to answer on your own. Okay, I'm not going to give you the answers. Okay? Yes, everyone? I know that some of you didn't get it, but that was the purpose. You have to solve it on your own. Okay? Yes, these are very easy examples. If you are not able to do it, then I will help you out. Okay? But you should be able to do it. You have to think and keep on trying. That's what maths is all about. You keep on trying and you can solve any problem. That is the best part of mathematics. Yes, everyone? Done? Very good. Very good. Yes. Then I have shared one worksheet with you on MCB. I'm sure you would have received it. If you haven't checked, do check it, download it, and solve that worksheet in your notebook. Okay? In your notebook, you have to share. Okay, everyone? Yes? That's it for the day then. I will see you on Monday now. Right? Okay? Bye bye, everyone.